Hi guys, welcome to another video on the Ford Transit Connect, this micro camper that we're doing, or that I'm doing. Today's video, just a very quick one really, on these wind deflectors. Going to be fitting them to each window, left side and the driver's side. So yeah, hopefully nice and easy, just a bit of some adhesive strips that we need to peel away and position. Now a lot of people do dry fits on these. I think I'm just going to go for it and yeah, get stuck straight in. I don't know how I'm going to film this, but we shall yeah, I shall do my best to try and capture how I'm actually getting it in, because essentially you've got to get the door pillar side in first, and then you bend the top, you bend that top bit there into that corner, and then hopefully this part here should kind of wiggle in, squeeze in. But anyway, just flip you around, let's get started. So yeah, like I mentioned before, if you get this part in first, right, all the way up to that corner, get that all in, you should be able to bend that part into the corner and then kind of push this part in. So right, first things first, I've got to take these strips off. You can, if you can, I mean, it's not that important, but some people try and get something in here and clean it, but realistically it's kind of like felty, so I don't know how to, I don't think, that's not mine's not dirty. I mean, there's always going to be some dirt in there, but don't worry too much if you can't do that. It's more importantly, this will fit. This will be a very snug fit, it won't go anywhere, I promise you. So yeah, I'm just going to peel these off and then get her stuck in. Right, can you see what I've done then? I've just literally got that part in, and this part's hanging out at the moment, so should have plenty of wiggle room to kind of fold this. That's probably going to go in at the same time, but yeah, I can fold and push. Let's get, oh, I'm just going to go a bit lower and try and just get it into this slot, and then kind of push out once it's in that slot. There we go. So before you push it too hard, you can actually press that bit. There we go. Push it up as much as it goes, so that corner's in properly. Yeah, just keep kind of wiggling it and pushing up, really. My kit didn't come with any clips. Sometimes you get these clips to just kind of wedge in, but mine was the easy kit. There we go, guys. That's how you do it. Super simple. Let's see if the window goes up. Yeah, there you go. Happy days. Let's get it all the way up. I might want to turn the car on to do this so you're not flattening the battery. There you go, guys. It's all done. Super easy. Hope that helped some people, just to give you a bit of confidence on how to do these wind deflectors. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys, because there's plenty more of these little small how-to videos along with a full micro camper build. Yeah, fingers crossed we're going to be getting stuck back into that. We've got lots of insulation to do, and sorry, the wiring's next, so keep an eye out for that video. Anyway, cheers for watching.